Welcome, guys. Because this was a fairly large panel, I saved myself some breath and not having to introduce all of you and all of your companies. I wanted to leave that to you. If I could just go down the row here and ask all of you to tell us about yourself, what you do for your organization and how your company partners with Boomi. It'd be fantastic.
Morning, everybody. My name is Arun Raghavapudi. I'm the Chief Customer Officer at R Systems. We are a digital product engineering services firm. We build for our clients great products, great applications, interconnected systems for them. Obviously, Boomi is a huge part of that business for us. And over the last 30 years, we have worked with several different verticals solving business issues. Steve, you talked about 20,000 years of human evolution. For some reason, partner onboarding continues to be a huge problem, right? And these are the kind of problems that Boomi and us are solving together for our clients, accelerating partner onboarding, giving visibility over complex supply chains, business models changing, better connections with your partners, with your customers, suppliers, etc. So these are the kind of issues that we are really solving for our clients along with Boomi. So great to be here and honored to be talking to each one of you.
Arun, as we move down the line, we've talked a little bit about how data, is going to power AI, and if AI is the new experience that we all interact with that data in. How are you thinking about it at our systems? How and why is data key to ultimately achieving the AI vision that we all see in front of us?
I think before I address the, are you able to hear?
I can. I'm not sure if the audience.
No?
Pass the. That's just hand on the mic. Yeah.
Yeah,
There you
before
go.
I
That sounds better.
address the question, I think the morning demo that we saw of Boomi GPT, the entire Starlight retailer process orchestration, right? I think this is where, alluding to Larry's point also about how this is no longer a data platform, it is actually a business process orchestrator. I think that is where the true power of AI plus data actually lies. And that is where the opportunity for us as partners to Boomi as well as to Boomi lie, where we are able to take a complex business process that spans not just you, your four walls, but your partners, your customers, your suppliers, and orchestrate it seamlessly, right? By giving the power of information to the end user. So again, back to, I think somebody alluded to it that, let's not make this a tech project, right? If you make this a business outcome driven initiative, then that's the true power of data and AI coming together on a platform like Boomi. And there are countless examples of these in the various verticals that we work with, be it manufacturing, logistics, be it healthcare, life sciences, be it retailers, or telco providers, etc., where we are starting to combine disparate sources of data and give the power of not yet prompt engineering, but give the power of seeking the right answers to the end users of a status of a purchase order, as simple as an example like that, and thus accelerate the time it takes to orchestrate any process, right? And I think the whole idea of these agents that Boomi is launching, I think is an enormous step in that direction of giving the power to the end users to seek the answers that they're looking for rather than going through an elaborate IT project or another report or something like that. So I think that is where the true power of AI and data, the underlying foundation, comes together.
Awesome, fantastic insights. So thank you all for your partnership and support of that and the answers there, as well as the audience. And as we've been talking about this market opportunity as it evolves, I boiled it down to what I think are two key areas, right? Hopefully this resonates with you all, and I'd love to get your comments back on it. Is collectively the value we can bring is help bring order, for our customers to the enterprise application sprawl they've experienced probably over the last 2 decades. And help bridge the gap between all of the integration tools that they've experienced or implemented over the years, and get them ready, ultimately, the second opportunity, for the dawn of AI and all that will come there. And we're not really sure what that is. We know some edge use cases, we see power, but we are really not sure what will happen in the next years. All these opportunities are for us to explore and dream big and think about, but it has to start, in my mind, with cleaning up everything in the back end, right? And so curious, in the time we have left, let's say maybe 30 seconds each, run down the line, or feel free to jump in on your thoughts on that.
The only thing that I would add to this is, again, think about it as the business problems to be solved, and I think the budget tree will be shaken and dollars will fall out because there's a business problem to be solved and an outcome to be delivered. I think that's the way to look at it as.
Thank you to all of you for joining me on stage. Thank you to all the partners in the audience who didn't have the opportunity to participate and share all of your knowledge. We so much appreciate your support. We don't take it for granted for 1 second, and we really, couldn't thank you enough for all the support and sponsorship you've had over the years. And for the customers in the audience, please visit the partner booths out in the hallway at all of your breaks and this evening and the reception night. They're doing amazing things with Boomi technology, and I think you'll just be pleasantly surprised at all the great value that they can bring to your organization. So thank you again. Thank you, guys. I think our time is up. Here we go. Thanks.